Hey there, welcome to Site Boosters. If you're into tech tips that make life easier, fascinating facts you've never heard before, and the latest updates in cloud computing, AI, and all things tech, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Let's dive right into the video.
Every application needs to store data, like media to be streamed or perhaps even sensor data from devices. And different applications and workloads require different storage database solutions. Google Cloud has storage options for structured, unstructured, transactional, and relational data. In this section of the course, we'll explore Google Cloud's 5 storage products: Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, Firestore, and Cloud Bigtable. Depending on your application, you might use one or several of these services to do the job.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.